only thing that goes in my ears. अमन, ये जूते कैसे हैं यार? जूते बड़े कमाल के हैं, जूते बड़े अच्छे, कहाँ से लिए? मेरे लिए हो सकते हैं? मेरे साइज के हैं? हाँ, कौन सा कलर? मैं पहन के देखूं? उतारो ये जूता. I said, Maman, just remove your shoes. Please give it to him.
मैं जूता मार दूंगी.
20 times I heard जूते बड़े अच्छे, बड़े कमाल के. कितने के? कहाँ से लिए? मैं ले सकता हूँ. हाँ, मेरे लिए बनवा दूंगी.
तो कैसा लग रहा है वैसे आपकी शादी लॉकडाउन में हो रही है? यूजुअली गर्ल्स लाइक बैंड बाजा बारात एंड एवरीथिंग. यहाँ लॉकडाउन में वर्चुअल शादी. इफ हाइपोथेटिकली इट हैपेंस विद यामी, व्हाट वुड बी योर रिएक्शन?
You know, पूजा, मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी, क्योंकि अगर लॉकडाउन हो या नहीं हो, फिर भी मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही एक प्राइवेट अफेयर वैसे भी होगा. It's just going to be very very close people, I think. That's how I'd always wanted. और तो मेरे लिए it's fine. I mean, as long as everybody's safe, whoever's traveling from anywhere, so I'm okay with this under 50 number of people. I'm fine with it.
तो अभी जिन्नी जो आपका कैरेक्टर है इन द मूवी गिन्नी, सॉरी, शी सेज गोबर जैसे लड़के ले आते हो और मैं समझू कि केक जैसे खा लूं. अब जरा बताओ, व्हाई इज गिन्नी सो चूजी एज दिस? है ना, इन पंजाबी बड़ी चूजी लड़की है.
बड़ी चूजी लड़की है जी. So actually गिनी की जो मदर है शोभा, वो एक मैच मेकर है. And the irony of her life is कि वो सबके रिश्ते कराती हैं. Like she's got a 100% track record, and you know how it really matters up there in Punjab. In Delhi. Imagine West Delhi mummy. And अगर मतलब it's all on word of mouth. You know, अगर एक भी कोई खराब निकला तो it's a big stain on your your resume and everything. And she's been perfect with her track record. And her own daughter, उनकी शादी नहीं हो पा रही है, वो करवा नहीं पा रही है या उनको नहीं करनी है. So Ginny has her own, way of life. She wants to have a love marriage. But फिर भी just अपनी मम्मी को खुश करने के लिए मम्मी हर तरह के लड़के try कर चुकी हैं. From
गोबर जैसे लड़के,
चाहे I'm sure even if they're non-गोबर जैसे लड़के, but Ginny is never, she'll never be okay with it because उसको love marriage करनी है.
तो गिन्नी और यामी दोनों एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं, वो जैसे, तो क्या कॉन्वर्सेशन होगी दोनों के बीच में? आर दे सिमिलर और आर दे नॉट?
आई डोंट थिंक दे आर सिमिलर. आई डोंट थिंक सो. वो जो गोबर वाला है वो आई डोंट थिंक मैं अपनी मम्मी से कभी भी ऐसे बात कर सकती हूँ. आई डोंट थिंक. आई थिंक द only way that will be similar, which I'm sure a lot of girls will connect, is the deep down vulnerability that we all have somewhere. We're all independent, girls and women. आप हैं, मैं हूँ, हम almost आज के दौर में at least शहरों में तो सब हैं. But फिर भी, और कितना भी हम बोल लें कि एक आपका अपना, you have your own, that for lack of a better word, strong independent woman. But deep down, that emotional quotient, that emotional value will still be very, very strong. Some girls wear it on the sleeves, and some just keep it like really hidden in a reservoir. So Ginny is one of them. I am very everybody in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, anyone can figure how emotional and sensitive I am. But with her, she's kept a lot of things, to her heart and in her heart. तो हम
पक्के पंजाबी हो, इमोशन है और पनीर, दो एक तो चीजें है ना पंजाबी में.
मैं एक्चुअली पहाड़ी हूँ, but raised all my life in चंडीगढ़. तो दोनों मेरे में, I think, जो qualities हैं वो the best of both, I think, virtues I have.
True. So what are the 3 things that girls should do before getting married? And you have to give a funny answer. वो typical answers मत देना कि काम करे, financially independent. Ideally 3 things.
मैं टिपिकल भी सोचने वाली थी कि टिपिकल क्या होंगे. अच्छा, I completely forgot about all that. Funny. 3 चीजें करें. या मुझे honestly ना, जितना ज्यादा कोई ऐसा बोलता है वो चीजें ये जरूर करना शादी से पहले, I don't know. I think वो उससे ज्यादा डर बैठ जाता है. I think it's okay, it's fine. आपने जो चीजें सोची है ना, आपने नहीं की शादी से पहले, वो सब शादी के बाद कर लेना, no problem. I have no idea what can those things be, because आजकल सब घूमते फिरते हैं, आजकल सब पार्टी करते हैं, आजकल सबके फ्रेंड्स हैं, सब कुछ है. But I don't think there's anything left today's time which is I should advise कि ये जरूर करना शादी से पहले. बाकी तो आपने बोल दिया, financial independence और वो सब काम की
career
बात तो
minded,
चली गई.
अपनी stability, which is a must.
हाँ, but I think अपनी ना I think songs की playlist जरूर check कर लेना. I think especially with the boy, वो जरूर कर लेना. I think he should really know the person that you are. हर तरह के गाने चला के देख लेना, गंदे वाले भी, अच्छे वाले भी, 90s वाले भी, everything what you like, that deep down what we are, what we like, वो जरूर चलवा के देखना, उस पे जरूर नचाना. He must watch that side also of yours before marriage. And I think it should be quite fun. And if he's okay with it, he can keep up with it. I think that's great. I have no idea what an answer it is, but just that's something which just top on my mind. Just came out.
Also, situation, real wedding bhi hoti hai, real wedding bhi hoti hai. Real wedding so aapne काफी कर ली. What is it like?
Real wedding
versus real, अगर होना हो तो like.
Real wedding.
Pros and cons क्या हैं?
I think real wedding के the only pros are कि आपका shoot खत्म हो जाता है, आपका shoot करना होता है. कौन है उसके? तो सबसे बड़ा कौन ये होता है that अगर वो शादी का sequence 5 दिन तक चले, depending on for how many days, that mehendi, which is obviously a fake mehendi, has to be applied not just every day, but as soon as you start sweating, as soon as after you wash your hands. And if you're someone like me who drinks a lot of water, I need to go back to washroom again and again. I come down. I actually feel like a child who has to show her hands to, that teacher that I'm so sorry. I've done something. I've stained my hands. So you have to keep doing it again. That lehenga which you're wearing, it is so, actually I have this question. Okay. Now I know that all the girls, who watch films and, they love that what so-and-so that actress is wearing in that film in XYZ. But it's so pretty, of course, it's so beautiful, but it is so not practical. It is not practical. How do girls sit in a can during Fera? You don't need a stool. I've done every experiment I've done in my room to figure out how. Like here, I have 3 people assisting me with that lehenga. Okay, I'm now used to it. I can do it on my own. I can dance in my heels also wearing that lehenga now. But how do you walk? How do you stand in that lehenga? Your back goes for a toss. You can't go to the loo. You can't sit. You have to sit in a proper position. You can't lie down. You can't sleep. Your face will get like all, at least my skin, by the end of the day, it all gets, that fabric, if it's not soft, how it can really like scratch your skin. And God forbid, if you're shooting in sun, you are dead. You have a mixture of sweat, scratches, some other nishan, some injury, some foot injury, some backache, some headache because of that jewelry. So this is how it is, a real shadi.
बस देखो, so real would be rather fun. And real तो एक बार ही होती है ना, real में तो बार-बार takes होते हैं.
हाँ, बार-बार takes होते हैं. और मतलब it's the most tedious thing. Ask any actress. I'm sure she's like it. She says, I feel beautiful, I feel gorgeous. You feel beautiful and gorgeous just for first 5 minutes. After that, it's a whole, it's a drill. It's a task if you know how you can go to the washroom without assistance and manage everything without spoiling anything. And I mastered that. And I'm sure most of the actresses have.
So, I mean, what was it like coming to the movie and with Vikrant Massey? Now, Izzy makes the proper like groom, real में तो देख लिया हमने. Real life में also he's like that Biba Munda, they say, like the suitable boy. Spill the beans.
Vikrant is so different from what, of course, he's a terrific actor. He's an incredible actor and a fantastic co-actor. Sometimes, unfortunately, there's a difference between good actor and a good co-actor. But he is such a good, he's all those things which everybody talks about him. But as a person, he's a great guy, he's a great friend and all those things. But he's not at all serious. He's not at all intense. He's the most desi guy, a guy can ever be, which is the reason that we bonded so well. One of the reasons that we bonded so well. And he's so shararti. He's so notorious. He's such a prankster. He's such an amazing dancer, and not your, he can do all those,
And we saw Sawan mein lag gayi aag.
Exactly, that is nothing. Well, that's nothing. I have videos that I'm going to share pretty soon, where he's given his dance literally. I mean, right now people are saying his dance, all his heart out. You will actually see those videos. He actually dances all heart out. He is so like he's full of energy. He needs to do something or the other. Yami ji kya kare? Yami ji kya kare? अब ऐसा करें, अब क्या कहाँ
जाना है,
कहाँ
you imitate him well.
I you have no idea how well I imitate him, except his voice. I can dub on Vikrant.
Who else can you imitate amongst your co-stars? Who you find the easiest mimic?
I think Vikrant was very interesting because there's something very peculiar about the way he talks. I think Vicky, I'm not really tried imitating. It's Vikrant. I'll tell you why. Also, because we were shooting the shadi sequence, and I have some 3 chairs supporting my lehenga and 1 chair supporting my back, and I'm sitting in the sun, and we just have like 10 minutes breather, so can't even go back to the room, which is 2 floors above. So we're all, me and my team, we're just resting in the shade, and Vikrant and everybody's just sitting right behind me, and my stylist must be wearing some really funky cool shoes, and her name is Amandeep, and all I hear, we just had barely like 5 minutes, and I just, there's a time when you just want to like keep your eyes shut and just not talk and just reboot, and the only thing that goes in my ears, अमन ये जूते कैसे हैं यार, जूते बड़े कमाल के यार, जूते बड़े अच्छे, कहाँ से लिए मेरे लिए हो सकते हैं मेरे साइज के हैं, हाँ कौन सा कलर मैं पहन के देखूं, उतारो ये जूता. I said, Maman, just remove your shoes. Please give it to me. मैं जूता मार दूंगी. 20 times I heard जूते बड़े अच्छे, बड़े कमाल के, कितने के, कहाँ से लिए, मैं ले सकता हूँ, हाँ, मेरे लिए बनवा दूंगी, हाँ.
You are amazing. You should be a mimic, Yami. और कौन है वैसे जिसकी नकल लगा सकते हो? आयुष्मान, वरुण, अजय कौन है और जिसकी नकल?
I think let's do it film by film. I promise you, I'll do that. I think whenever.
Okay, I'm taking you up on that. एक सिचुएशन आया है, आप जैसे गिनी को तो लव मैरिज करने का शौक है. Now this can be Yami's position. Now Yami wants to do love marriage, but she discovers on the day of a wedding that she actually doesn't love the boy. She loves his best friend. What will she do?
I love his best friend.
Yeah, you actually don't love him. It's on the day of the wedding and she's just about to do her Jaimala and Feras.
I think it's the most hypothetical situation that can ever happen. I think in films have also, I think, given up on this.
होता है आजकल runaway brides देखा है ना, आजकल stories कितनी आती हैं, मनोहर कहानियां, लड़की भाग गई दूल्हे के दोस्त के साथ.
नहीं तो I think मैं वही करूंगी जो फिल्म में होता है कि एंड में हाथ जोड़कर मुझे माफ करना हो, साइनाथ बोल के I'm gonna be like please, and hopefully the guy is okay. I mean, whoever I want to marry, I hope he also wants to marry first of all, and it's not a one-sided love. एक तो पता नहीं आजकल कितने tracks भी होते हैं.
आपने इंडियन मैच मेकिंग देखी है?
नहीं, पर मैंने बहुत सुना उसके बारे में.
तो वहाँ देखना, वहाँ पर एक लिस्ट है, जैसे एक लड़की कहती है the boy should know about Bolivian salt flats, जो किसी को नहीं पता था, उसको ये करना चाहिए. तो मैच मेकर कहती है आपको तो बहुत एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. Now if you were, हाँ, so आपके क्या डिमांड्स है, which is like 2 things he must do and 2 things he shouldn't, and it'll be a yes. यहाँ ही हम आपके मैट्रिमोनियल का वो कर देते हैं.
ऐसा है कि चाय मुझे बहुत पसंद है, हाँ, पर मुझे ना, you give me anything and I think I'll be able to cook. Thanks to lockdown, everybody's become a master chef. So I can cook now, but chai is something which I haven't learned. And I think there's a reason deep down my subconsciously, chai is something which should be served to you. बहुत मजा आता है जब कोई चाय लेकर आता है.
You should serve tea and make tea and serve tea.
Make tea, but really good chai. No, you have no idea, Pooja, how chai is important.
Chai tasting करवाएंगे.
ठीक है.
And which is the big.
दूसरा, he should love mountains. I love पहाड़. I love mountains.
वाह.
हाँ, तो he should love mountains.
Ideal honeymoon spot होगा ना आपका पहाड़ में.
हाँ, मतलब बात से हनीमून की नहीं है, like any time can be, your आप किसी भी चीज को आप हॉलिडे बना सकते हैं किसी भी टाइम को. तो चाय और पहाड़ बहुत अच्छे, उनको अच्छे लगने चाहिए. Like my heart is in the mountains.
True. और मैट्रिमोनियल एड्स आते हैं, I'm sure आपने पढ़े हैं ना, wanted good homely girl, should not be a feminist. How would you respond to that? Slim, pretty, fair, convent educated girl should not be a feminist and should be a homely girl. What would you want to say to people who put up these?
एक तो the last time I read such ads I was in high school. मैं सच में
अभी भी आते हैं.
I'm sure आते होंगे. तो I think उनको उस पेपर में क्या I don't mind कुछ समोसा पाव, कुछ वड़ा पाव, whatever you want, वो ऐसे रैप करके आप ले जाओ डब्बे में, ऐसे ही करना है उस पेपर का.
Who is Ariel, snobbish, best dancer and easygoing? Aayushman, Vicky, Varun, Hrithik and Ajay.
I don't think anybody is a snob. Okay. I really mean it. I don't think anybody is a snob. Who did you say best dancer? It has to be Hrithik. And best, what else?
Ariel कौन है थोड़ा?
You know, Ariel कोई नहीं.
Ariel मतलब or stubborn. Who's like stubborn?
नहीं, इनमें से नहीं है कोई stubborn नहीं है. I'll tell you what, they're very particular about what they feel.
So एक quirk बता दो इन तीनों के बारे में that you were amazed कि like छोटा, I mean some quirk that none of us know and you were like observed. Since आपने विक्रांत के तो बेचारे shoes ऐसे observe किए, तो ऋतिक, विकी, वरुण और आयुष्मान के बारे में बताओ जो किसी को नहीं पता है.
I think आजकल तो सबको सब कुछ पता है और जो नहीं भी पता वो भी लोगों को पता नहीं कैसे पता है. तो I don't know, but my experience with Hrithik, I'll start with Hrithik. Again, he's again a perfectionist. He's somebody who loves his work. He's somebody who, when he's on set, एक तो he comes on time, and everybody actually comes on time. I've not worked with anybody off late who doesn't turn up, who doesn't show up on time. So that's great. पर और वो बहुत पर्टिकुलर है काम के बारे में. It doesn't matter वो कितना टाइम लगे किसी एक शॉट को, but till the time it's not perfect. And वो वैसे वाला आइडियल नहीं है कि क्योंकि ये मैं कह रहा हूँ, so let's do it that way. If you can make sense to him and if you can convince him, no, it's I feel the other way, he'll say, I think you're right, let's go for it. Or even dance, even when we were shooting that song together, वो सिर्फ मुझे या खुद को नहीं देख रहे हैं, जो पीछे जो बैकग्राउंड में डांस कर रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. We've gone for a retake because of them. So everything has to be aligned, which is great. Like that really added a lot to my working style in my films to follow. About Aayushman, he's quite a spontaneous actor. I feel right from Vicky Donor days. मेरे लिए तो कोई फर्क नहीं था. आई थिंक जैसे हम लोग पहले काम करते थे, अभी भी हमने बाला में बिल्कुल वैसे ही काम किया था. So he's quite spontaneous, and his love for food remains the same. So and with Varun, again, he's somebody who gets really, whose mind is always working. ये करते हैं, अच्छा ये नहीं करते हैं. I remember while shooting a scene for Badlapur, I had some lines by Shakespeare that my character had to deliver, and he felt that even I should counter, I mean reply with a shero, with another, some poem or something, some shero shairi. And but Sriram sir said it's not required, it's fine. He said no, please. So he said okay. So but anyways, so we figured ki chalo, he must have like forgotten about it, or okay, let's go for the scene. It's all lit up, it's all ready, and Varun is on a call, and we are calling him ki Varun kahan hai. He's on a call, we can see him. So we thought it must be like really important, kuch emergency hogi, kuch hoga. But he comes and he said, ready. And I've spoken my lines, I've delivered that Shakespeare ke jo lines thi, and the scene gets cut. But he still continues with what he's just learned. He's just called someone ki mujhe kuch, just tell me some 3-4 lines na, and with those lines. Wow. And he's yeah. That's another thing. Sriram didn't keep those lines because it didn't make sense. Well, that's fine. But the fact that he still went out of the way, to add something in a scene. So whatever, which is really sweet, I felt. With Ajay, again, Ajay, so I think he's a man of very few words. And as much as
interviews में सबको पता चल जाता है, सर बोल दो कुछ.
हाँ, तो and I think जितना वो senior है, he's one of the biggest stars and everything, but उतना he's very calm on set. You tell him whatever the director tells him, please do that. He'll just do it without a question. So I think all of them, and Vikrant, again, Vicky is a team player. Vikrant is a team player. I think these are the energy that they get on set is something else, and they're not just focused on their work or the trajectory of their character. Yeah, मैं ये prepare करके आया हूँ, मुझे ऐसा दिखना है. The beauty about these actors are they think about the totality of the scene. especially when it came to working with Vikrant, Vicky, Hrithik. They work a lot keeping that factor in mind.
So never have I ever cheated on a partner.
No, never.
Never have I ever marched in a protest.
Never.
Never have I ever faked sick leave from a shoot.
No, never.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छे हो. Never have I ever re-gifted a gift to someone.
Never. Oh, one second. Have I ever re-gifted
a gift?
वो बचपन में हुआ है. वो I think बचपन में हुआ होगा. वो होता है ना, वो I think जब कॉलेज में बहुत back to back birthdays तो वो सबके साथ हुआ. I think rotate होकर एक बार आगे थे I think सबके पास. But otherwise never done that.
Never have I ever been on a dating app.
No, never.
Never have I ever been on. Never have I ever been on a blind date.
Never. मैं पहले almost एक real date पे तो चली जाऊँ. Blind date.
सही में डेट पे नहीं गए अभी तक. क्या कर रहे हो यार?
नहीं, मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ. Date I've been on a date, but not on that kind of a date, जहाँ पे अब हम date पे जा रहे हैं. For me, my idea of date is, as I said, mountains, go for a nice walk, have some meal together, just cook it together, and that's it. That's about it. वो सब formality. I'm not a very formality, or I'm not a very formal as a person. I believe कि you should get into too many formalities, or he has to gift me something, and I don't believe in all that.
Never have I ever gate crashed a wedding.
Let me think. In Himachal, I might have. But वहाँ पे सब इतने sweet हैं, वो ऐसे बुला लेते हैं. आओ जी. So I think that's okay. In Himachal we have.
Chalo, as I'm wrapping up, you have to just these 3 movies. I'll make the action and you have to guess it.
हम आपके हैं कौन? दिल, दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे. घूंघट.
ये क्या है?
दिल है. हाँ.
You got it right. दिल है ये.
दिल बड़ा. दिल बड़ा घूंघट. दिल बड़ा दुल्हन. दुल्हन वही जो पियावन भाई. By any chance, I've gone really पीछे.
You've gone really पीछे. Yeah, but this also works. मेरा था दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Oh, like how can I forget? Okay, but not bad.
Okay, last.
Band Baja Barat.
Anyways, thank you so much.